Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will make the cauliflower Manchurian or Gobi Manchurian in normal words. So let's start now. First of all, we take water in a pan and we add salt, turmeric, mix it well. Then we add the cauliflower inside and let it boil for at least 10 minutes till it become little soft, not too much soft. In the meantime, in another pan we take the maida or the flour, corn flour, 2 tablespoons each. We add little salt, red pepper, mix it well. Then we add some water and make a slurry. So you can see our paste is getting ready. So now we add the boiled cauliflower inside. Mix it well properly so it will be completely marinated with this mixture. Now in the other pan we take the oil, boil it, let it hot and add the cauliflower inside and fry it for 3 to 4 minutes till it become crispy. Now we take it out in the other pan. Now we will add the remaining cauliflower inside the oil to fry it. After frying, we will take it out in the other pan. Now the first fried cauliflower we add back into the oil and again it fry it so that it become more crispy. It will give a very good taste. We do the same with all the cauliflower which we fried before. Now in another pan we take some oil, add ginger garlic crushed, fry it little. Then we add the chopped onion inside. After that we add the green chili and spring onion, fry it. After getting it fried, we will add the soya sauce and hot sauce, each 1 tablespoon. Mix it properly, add the black pepper about half teaspoon, mix it well. Now we add the ketchup about 3 tablespoons, mix it well. Now we add the fried cauliflower, mix it softly inside and eat it with this mixture. Let it be cook. Now we add the cornstarch. We will cook it for at least 2 to 3 minutes. And then you can see your Manchurian is ready to serve. So enjoy the food and remember us in your prayers.